Assalamualaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He who beautifies the creation of Allah and acts upon it, indeed Allah loves him." In the spirit of adding beauty to our special moments, today's video is all about a bridal Mehndi design. I'm sharing glimpses of a stunning bridal Mehndi application that I recently did. I've included some clips recorded during the application, so make sure to watch the full video until the end to see the beautiful results. If you love what you see, please like, share it with your loved ones, and comment your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing designs. If there's any upcoming bride watching this, or if you're a sister or friend of a bride, feel free to share this video with her. Just a reminder, bookings need to be made 1 to 2 months in advance, so be sure to secure your slot early. I'm based in Hyderabad, India, and this service is available throughout Hyderabad. May Allah bless your journey and keep you in good health. Remember, a happy heart and healthy body are the best companions on your special day. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay blessed, and always keep smiling. Goodbye for now.